total. Hope it is recorded. All right. So go to assignment. Today we are studying Excel Module 4. We are going to go over a project. You need to submit this project to earn 3% hands-on. It is under week 11. There are 2 files, instruction file and data file. So please download at least the data file. So this is instruction file. Data file is an Excel file. When you submit, you need to submit Excel file, not Word file, not PDF. I need Excel file when you submit, okay? So I pause for a moment. You download the file, open this until you see this one here. Okay, after you open this data file, you follow the instructions. So we opened this Excel file, and then save. Before save as, click this, close the yellow background, this bar, enable editing, close it. And then click save as. File, save as. I will save in this PC, okay? You need to remember where do you save. So change the file name to change _1 to 2. Then save. And also change my name to your name. So if you see the file name has my name, Pauline Fu, please change to your name. You should have your first name, your last name. Okay, here. After that, this is the documentation sheet. In cell B6, you have my name. Please change it to your name. Change Pauline Fu to your name. Okay. All right. So next, let's do the project steps. Step 1, Gertrude Gibson is a manager in the Alanis Parks department. Gertrude is compiling spending data in preparing for city bond offering. They want to use Excel to create charts to illustrate some of her data, to apply function to calculate the potential monthly and yearly cost to the city of different bond scenarios. Switch to spending worksheet. And then in data range E5, E10, add conditional formatting to show solid data blue bars. So this is step 1. So first, click spending worksheet. Here. Click spending worksheet. Our workbook has many worksheets. In this project, we have a documentation worksheet. We have spending worksheet. We have projection worksheet. And we have bonding offering. Okay. Now select range E5, E10. E5, E10. Then we add solid blue data bars. So go to solid blue data bars, conditional formatting. Go to home. Down pointing and click the down pointing arrow for conditional formatting. Data bars. Solid blue data bars under solid fill group. Questions for step 1. We finished step 1. Add solid blue bars. Step 2. In range F5, F10. Add spark line based on the data B5, E10. Okay, so first select F5, F10. This is F5, F10. And then click insert. Down pointing arrow, spark line, click the down pointing arrow, and click line, spark line. Then you are asked for data range. Now you select B5, E10. B5, E10 is the data range. And then click OK button. See, you added spark line based on data B5, E10. Step 3, apply blue accent 1, darker 25% spark line color to the range F5, F10. So make sure F5, F10 is selected. And then you have a sparkling line color, down pointing arrow. So select blue accent 1, darker 25%. It is on the 5th column, 5th row. Blue accent 1, darker 25%. Click it. Okay, we finished step 3. Step 4. Borderer created a pie chart presenting the percentage of the budget that went each park in 2018. Modify the chart in range G2 020 as follows. A. Enter 2018 park spending as percentage of total as the chart title. So there is a chart title here. You double click chart title. Now you just click and select the chart title and then type in 2018 park spending as percentage of total. And then B, change the data label to include category as well as the percentage, and position the labels in outside and location. So how do we do this? Data label. So click the chart so that you have this chart element. Click the chart, you have chart element. If you are Mac user, you may want to find chart element somewhere here. So just try to find the chart element. So click chart element. After chart element, I need to maximize, otherwise chart element. And then you have data label. If you mouse over data label, you have the arrow key, right arrow key, click it, data label, and then select more options. More options. And now, you have label options, include the percentage and the category name. So also select the category name, see, percentage and the category as well as the percentage. And also position, label position outside and here. Outside and for those who have just came in, go D2L assignment week 11, okay? We did a couple of steps already, but those steps does not affect deeply on the following steps. So just follow my current steps. Later on, you make up for the steps you missed, okay? So now we finish step 4. We finish step 4. Questions? Step 5. Gordon would like a pie chart representing percentage of the park's budget that would go to each park in 2021. Create a 2D pie chart based on data in E5, E9, and using category labels in range A5, A9. So select E5, E9 first. So this one is still in the same working sheet. Select A5. Hold on. Wait, based on data and use category labels. Okay. Okay. So this time we need to select both A5, A9, and E5, E9. So we are going to use control mark user. You may need to use function key. So I'm using PC select. E5. So make sure you move your, see the category name here. Select A5, A9 first. Select A5, A9 first. Press and hold down Control, mark user, maybe function key, and then select E5, E9. Release your mouse so that you select non-adjacent data range at the same time. I repeat, you need to select both A5, A9 and E5, E9. To select both, use Control key. After you select both, you click, I need maximum. Insert, chart. This, if you click recommended chart, this arrow here, you get all the options. And we need 2D pie chart. So if you click all chart, pie, so this is the one we need, okay? Then click OK button. Yes.
Stop. It says to remove the legend in the first.
Yeah. The previous step, yeah, I realized it. So ignore that. Remove means you delete this. Say delete key if you want. Okay, remove that. Yeah. Okay, so we are in step 5. So we created a chart. Now reposition the chart so that it is upper left corner in T21. T21 here, upper left corner. Lower right corner in cell O39. O39 here. So position the chart in this position. T21 to O39. So we finished step 5.
How did you set this total thing?
Step 6. Customize the chart we just created. First, enter 2021 park spending as percentage of total as title. So for this one, oops, you just select the chart title and then type in 2021 park spending as percentage of total. And then apply style 3 to the chart. So click the chart. You have chart style, down pointing arrow. Style 3 is here. Style 3. So we finished step 6. Step 7. Children want a stacked bar chart showing spending per park for each year. Create a stacked bar chart based on data A4, E9, A4, E9. So select A4, E9. Select A4, E9. And then insert. Click this arrow key. Click all charts. Click bar. We need to stamp the bar chart. So just click this one is the stamp. So it says stamped. This one here. So this one is stamped. So this one is stamped. The first one here is clustered. Click this one, the second one here. See where the mouse? Stamp bar. Stamp the bar here. Then click OK button. And then reposition so that it is upper left in A11, upper left in E11, lower right in F39, F39. So reposition this chart. All right, so we finished step 7. Step 8, customize the chart. A, enter spending per park 2018, 2021 as the chart title. So select the chart title and type in spending. Okay. After that, change the maximum value on the horizontal axis. So let's maximum this one first. We are asked to change the maximum value on the horizontal axis. Which one is horizontal axis? Here, this is horizontal axis, right? Huh?
Horizontal development.
Oh, yes, thank you. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Okay. Thank you. You are paying attention. We are asked to change horizontal axis, the maximum value. So this is horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay. This is horizontal. So what we do, right quick, hold on. Yeah, here. Did you see these numbers? 500,000, 1 million. Those are the horizontal axis. So right click your mouse. Right click your mouse on horizontal axis. Those dollar value. Right click your mouse on the horizontal dollar value. And then what? 4-month axis. 4-month axis. And now you have maximum, minimum. The maximum type in. So this is 2.5 E6. We should type in 2.3 E6. So just change 5 to 3. That's it. E is a scientific notation. E6 means 10 raised to power 6. 10 raised to power 6. That means E10. Okay. All right. So we change the maximum value here for horizontal axis. Step 3. Apply shape fill of white background 1 darker 5% to the chart area. So click the chart first. Chart. Click the chart, then click the format. You have to click chart first, so that you have format. And then fill color here. Select white background 1, darker 5%. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. All right, so that is step 8. Step 9. Update park spending combo chart in A40 G56. Move the chart to projection worksheet. So we are asking to move the chart. So first, which chart? A40 G56 maximum. If you scroll down, there is another chart here. So if you scroll down, this chart is A40. Started with A40 G56. We are asked to move this chart into, if you see here, there's a projection worksheet. Move this chart to another worksheet, projection worksheet. Okay. So how do we do that? Right click your mouse on the chart. Right click your mouse on the chart. And then move chart, move chart, and then object in spanning. We want to move the chart to spanning worksheet. Also, not spanning, move the chart to projection. So we have to put it down pointing arrow, select projection. Move the chart to here. And then click OK button. See, in projection, if you scroll down, you have this chart. You moved over already. You need to scroll down. See, you cannot find the chart. You have to scroll down. It is here. You moved the chart here. And then resize the chart so that upper left corner in A4. We want to move it up, 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 up until upper left is A4. Move this chart up until A4. Lower right corner, K22, K22, K22 here. Questions? So we finished step 9, step 10. For the path spending combo chart, update for this chart. Question A, apply monochromatic palette 4 color to the chart. So click the chart first. Click the chart, then click chart design. There is down pointing arrow for change color. Change color. And then you have a section, monochromatic. Then select palette 4. This is palette 1. Palette 4 is here. This orange. Okay, questions? Step 4, question A. And then this one is a difficult one, B, step 10B. Add a secondary access to the total series. Did you see there is a total here, TOTAL? TOTAL. Right-click your mouse on this icon, TOTAL. Right-click your mouse. Right-click your mouse. looks like not this one. Need to right click your mouse for total only. Add a secondary access for the total series. And then select Format Data Series. Format Data Series. After that, select Secondary Access. See, you added secondary access for total. Questions? Okay. Next, step 10C. Add access titles to the chart. Add access title to the chart and then enter park spending as the left vertical access title. Total spending right vertical access title. So how do we do this? So click the chart first. What close this one here? Click the chart. Click the chart, and then you have chart element. So mark user, you may want to directly locate where is the chart element. And then you have access title. Click the arrow key for access title. Access title. And we need vertical. Secondary vertical. Secondary vertical. Let me see, primary. Secondary horizontal, we don't. Primary vertical. Primary vertical, secondary vertical. So after that, add title. Select primary vertical first. Primary vertical. After you select primary vertical, you have this placeholder here. Select and type spending per park. Spending per park. And then do the same thing for here, vertical secondary access. So repeat yourself. Chart element, access title, secondary vertical, secondary vertical. Secondary vertical. And then you have this little bar here, select and type in total spending. Total spending. All right, so we finished step, yes. We need to tell me what I'm the second. Tell me what part of it. Second is.
You should have taken a volunteer.
All right. Other questions? Okay, we have still have few steps. Shall we all take a break? Come back at 4:10. We will finish this project. Okay. So I'll write down break. Back at 4:10.
So I haven't had to write a single essay. Paragraph.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the essay is like 25 people. Each person just has to do a paragraph. Easy.
I got, but like Carrie played, it's fine. But one of them.
Yes.
20?
It's not intuitive.
For this one. It'd be a different.
No, it doesn't matter. Journals for them, so.
Oh, that too.
So if you want, let's do it. I'll slap the wall top.
Those sometimes don't really see it, like, it's more like.
Yeah. 4 hours.
Yeah, like, I wouldn't be able to specify any, but I'd be like, oh, they're in high school, they're in school, they're. I think it's pretty good.
Lost. No, mustard.
You never.
Why is it upside down?
Then you, it's like, yeah, it's like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
We went for the first time. Have something. But then. And maybe later. Right.
See, unless you put me like a big. Also, nice to the chart.
And then I.
Maybe that's just like I see. Like if you have like 9 to 5, it's great. Yeah. Oh, but there you go. Why are you taking advantage of it? Because traditionally, there was a access service around 2013. It's basically the same thing. It's almost like it's a bit peer pressure. Okay.
Trust you,
Yeah. That's good. So look at maybe the second thing. So. Oh, it's that. We'll do the smart. You click on this. This part line, and then we'll click on the access. Yeah. And then custom value. That's it. There you go. Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah. So this, if you want this basic, it's and it's like the big number. Oh, and then.
Actually, not much help right now.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff I.
I do that a lot of time. I will like look at number and then work back. Yeah, I'm like, okay, that's not right. I think we're not. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. So then I feel like if you were to explain it, like I would explain it. I feel like sometimes a lot of these questions, they get it.
Yeah, definitely your money. Like,
But he was like, swimming in there. Yeah.
hello.
Yay.
Yeah, okay, so we have an exception, realize, you're like, shit, I know, because I've heard about something too.
Yeah, so we have financial accounting,
Yeah, you.
and then financial accounting. I think the accounting is gonna be for something, so that's where.
No, maybe it's just like a family trying to.
Then commercial law.
Yeah, that's what they do.
No, it's nullify. I did that.
Yeah.
I know, I did test that, right? Because when I was supposed I went on exchange, and when I did the exchange, they don't have the sets that I needed, so I took like a closest thing to what I needed, and I took like the ones I will be. So I personally knew this is good. That was very online, and they're very lenient about everything, so I'm very experimental, and it's just a pass or fail, so I don't care.
Right, are you?
My fourth year for thesis, I was like, what thesis? I'm like, I can do stats. I have zero knowledge about the subject. So they did everything, so basically, to be honest, I have no knowledge of stats. Despite that being in my transcript, because it just says P, there's a grades. So we'll see how that takes.
Ask you together.
Like this is very basic.
Yes, that, I see it, I don't know what it is.
It makes more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I was seeing semester 4. It's so exciting. Yeah, see, so exciting. There's an operation. Actually, yeah, it's like that's my. I think there's weird ones. There's a lot of so that's last thing. So it's definitely program. I can't see it because it's not open. I know there's a physics. I know there's physics. There's like so.
Yes, yes.
So when it was open with me, like you're allowed to see everything. So yeah, and she's okay. And then like so you do this class. That's very simple. And it's easy. So you know, last week, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Why would you take a? No.
So last thing I had for 5, I was
Yeah, but yeah, I had to say, it's like, yeah, you're supposed to go to elementary school. Well, also, we didn't do it. You might. That was such a general education.
So we're, see, the general. Program.
She was using the exact same thing every single year. So that is sustain this process over and over. And then she would just put these. These facts and identities from the teacher. Or the.
It's just like, yeah. Well, the test, I memorize 6, but like,
assuming it's the same.
possibly it should be.
Yeah.
I'll answer it.
So he was like.
Yeah. Yeah, understanding. Yeah. When I asked them talking business, if you want another communication.
Oh my God, yes. What is that? Yes. I'm not trying to think that.
Right.
Make that make you put it through the thing. I don't know, yes. Oh, for the arts, yes. But
You learn about it.
Corporate governance. Financial. I might do the.
Yeah.
Yes. Or like even retirement, like a study something.
I know. For $30 an hour. Like, I can find it. Some stars. Everyone from us.
Oh, to be a culture. Yeah, we have like a snow relief.
Oh my God.
We always have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lots of art. And it was like, like you would come in and it has this little really class that had. They would fly bubbles in it.
I didn't know.
Just like,
Like, for the milk.
round, full, yeah.
Still
like,
kind of
belly.
close. I'm still out of her follower now.
So.
What about your job?
What you gonna do? I don't think you got noticed. No, and you don't get noticed.
Yes, we said.
Much more. And you get noticed. I don't know. She's gone here. And I was like, when you get notifications, they're like, oh.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
They tried, but then
Yes.
it looked different, like they were editing, supposed to be edited.
Dan, really close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounded like.
The latest things like you really like.
Yeah.
Each of them sound last. Okay, enter. What? You guys. 20 current spending as of your second total.
Oh.
Oh, 20.
We take this in our
No,
year.
this was.
Should not be there. Because it's their second.
It wouldn't know. It would start grade
Yeah.
7. Grade 7.
Which.
Grade 7.
The only one that you have to take.
Okay, so I'm grade school, my grade 9 was half full time, and in person. And then
And then it's part-time around.
Oh, I can start recommending people to give their money.
Card. Yeah.
Extra.
This one, that's the start of it. Once I grab it, it's okay.
Right, I have.
It feels weird gives my tax return stuff to my account. It's like I don't want to. I don't have time for that.
You just put numbers. Yeah, or once you, if you file before, you just download everything and it'll fill it out for you. So. Great. I did. Oh. Now I got it. I'll do it. I know, like text, you know, especially people who, it's like once more. Yeah, it's like feels like to me.
Yeah, 20.
Ended up getting more money.
Eagles
I don't know.
to include the categories and extended acquisitions. Yes, yeah, right side.
Oh, you got.
In the.
So much. It's in my social.
Like,
So it's a different.
like students.
I just think five or nine.
Oh, yeah, no,
There's nothing to do with them. Like, it's just sitting there. It's like. I was looking at the tuition, why is it 0? And they're like, yeah, there's nothing. So you down, so I'm like, fuck you. I don't, this is just me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So like this guy would take us. Yes, okay, like we do, there's the journey in writing, we want to learn how to travel. There's the labor history of immigration. There's neuroscience of everyday globalization. Long life workers' rights in Canada. AI friend. But
No, but you know those cases in us. But they actually think that seems to have
religion study,
physics. Digital citizenship. Oh, no,
I was gonna tell. Yeah, but like I look at like most of their like the reports outline and just like writing everything because they use the archives right here in general science. Yeah, like there's like a or like a semester, but then they also want you to learn like the actual like editing and stuff. And I was like, yeah, you have to learn the basics. I don't know. They won't use the same computer doesn't have PDF, but they'll do like and I asked her after how's that? She's like, no, that would be interesting. I'm like, okay, great. So I can't consolidate my PDF files. So if they want to pay for this, do you think they'll pay for Photoshop?
You see how it's know how it's
Yeah, summer space.
and then I copy it.
That one, but like after hearing.
Yeah, so like, I don't, yeah, so, because I thought I'll do just like, what's like data. Yeah, like for summer to use the same, you have to pay. Oh, it's not summer, so you have to pay. And you want to dump the credit that you dump.
That already weeks ago.
So tuition is integrated, but so it's a fixed amount of courses, like everything. Semester.
God,
I mean, it'll affect your credit wise, so let's say you take your license.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you
Well,
don't.
that like Robert is doing like he's doing semester 3.
Oh, yeah, if you do that, then yeah,
Like,
yeah, if you work the entire semester, yes.
Right. Welcome back. Hope you have a nice break. Before break, we did step 1 to step 10. Any questions? Okay, now we do step 11. Quadrant want to compare future payments for 3 different scenarios for a park's bond offering. Switch to bond offering worksheet. So switch to bond offering worksheet. There are 3 options. Option A, option B, option C. She already entered the formula in the range B9, D10 to calculate the quarterly and annual payment for each option. Now, in range E9, E10, add column spark lines, use data in range B9, D10. Ungroup spark line, then set the vertical axis maximum value. Okay, so oops. Okay, there are several tasks in these steps. So first, make sure you switch to bond offering worksheet, and then select range E9, E10, E9, E10, and then add the spark line. Click add column spark lines in the range. Spark lines. We want to enter the formula. Let's read the question again. He already has the formula in the range B9, D10. Let's check B9, D10, yes. And then in range E9, E10, based on B9, D10. Okay. Okay, so select this spark line. Select, then insert spark line. And then column. Column data range. Select A9, D10. Use your mouse select A9, D10. Oh, sorry, not this one. I'm sorry, I looked at step 12. We are doing step 11. Based on data B9, D10. Sorry, this is wrong. Based on data B9, D10 here. B9, D10. B9, D10. And then click OK button. So we inserted spark line, column spark line. And then ungroup the spark line. Ungroup, click here, ungroup. Ungroup. So we ungroup the spark line. And then set the vertical maximum for cell E9. So quick cell E9, quick cell E9. We want to set maximum value. Quick cell E9. Quick cell E9 and then what? And then this spark line, make sure this spark line is clicked. And then click this down arrow key for access. And then customize. There is an option for customize value. Let me see this, which one? Enter this value for E9, vertical access maximum. Vertical access maximum. So click this one, customize. We need to enter vertical access maximum value. So customize. Enter the maximum value for vertical access. So enter negative 15,000. Negative 15,000. and then click OK button. Now do the same thing for cell E10. Click cell E10. We want to add vertical axis maximum value for E10, negative 60,000. So click E10 first, then down pointing arrow for this axis. Custom value on the vertical axis maximum value. Enter negative 60,000. Negative 60,000. Click OK button. So now we finished step 11. Now we finished step 11. Questions? Step 12. Once clustered column chart comparing the cost and the bound options. A. Create clustered column chart based on A9, D10. So select A9, D10 first. Select A9, D10. Then insert, click this bottom right corner. You can select all charts. Select column, we need clustered. So this is clustered column chart, okay? Clustered column, click OK button. And now move the chart to A11, D28, A11, D28, A11, D28. A11, D28. Okay, we finished step 12. Step 13. Customize chart. A. Enter bound offering cost comparison as the chart title. So select chart title, bound offering, cost comparison. Bound offering cost comparison. And then B, add data label to the chart. Add data label. So click the chart. Click the chart. Now select chart element. Then click data label. Now you added data label. That's it. Add data label. Before, if you don't have data label, it is this. If you add data label, it is this. Data label. Okay, so that concludes the project part. This one is worth 3%. Okay, so I need to submit the Excel file, not the Word document, not the PDF. I need to submit this file. See, has documentation sheet. Make sure your name is here. This is my name. You have to change to your name. Spending worksheet looks like this. Looks like this. Spending worksheet, transaction worksheet, and bound offering worksheet. Okay. So I give you some time to submit. At the same time, I am going to take attendance. After you submit, the rest of the time, self-study. Please go over textbook chapter 4 or module 4. If you want to leave, I don't force you to stay, but make sure you read the textbook. Okay? And the next week, we use the similar format. I will give you the project step by step. Okay? After next week, so today is week 11, week 12, week 13, pretty heavy. Week 13, we are going to do our last assignment in class, 10% in, okay? It is not due in class, but in class we are doing it. So week 13, we do 3% hands-on, we do 10% assignment, okay? Okay, so let me take attendance. At the same time, you upload your file.